The Healthy Takeaway Masterclass is a 3-hour session delivered to people working in takeaways. The session includes some information or education about nutrition and food, gives people an opportunity to try new foods. It also includes some practical skills.
So we saw a presentation from the food team at Kirklees Council about their Healthy Takeaway Masterclass, which we thought was a really great idea. So we commissioned them to come and deliver that to our takeaways in Macon, Cleveland.
The training was really more informative than what I thought. I was very impressed with it, learnt a lot.
We visited businesses before and after the masterclass training, and we explored which healthy catering practices were achievable. Encouragingly, we found that it wasn't just the businesses from the more affluent areas who were interested in the training. We did find that businesses were already carrying out some healthy catering practices, but there were still changes that could be made.
Staff from the businesses were asked to make up to 6 pledges. These were to be changes that they would make either to their cooking practices or their menu choices. These could be anything, provided they were in line with the changes that were promoted during the masterclasses.
Most of them went on to make changes to their catering practices. A lot of these had very little or no financial impact.
Just small little changes that don't really cost a lot and probably cost less because I've reduced sugar. We've changed recipes, introduced free fruit. The quiches that we do, we only used to do one quiche, was just the standard quiche with pastry. Now we've took the pastry out and do a crustless quiche and replaced the cheese with cottage cheese and just made it a bit more healthier. And we found that we sell more of that now than what we do of the regular quiche. I would recommend the masterclass because it's really informative. I gained a lot from it, and I think it's important with anybody working with food to have that knowledge.